Okay, so guys, this is the second episode of our short course for Python beginners. And if you're a beginner, this is Python. Yes, Python. And yes, it is Python. Yes, you heard me right, Python. Now, this Python is not a snake. It's basically a programming language. So I'm assuming you are a total beginner, and if you are, you might be making mistakes somewhere. So it's actually Python. That's the name of the code. So and Python is a very easy language to learn, very easy, very adaptable, multi-purpose, so on and so forth. I could keep listing the usefulness of Python, but every programming language has its own special pattern of language, or whatever you want to say it. So basically every programming language has what is known as syntax. So I don't want to be using too much terminologies here in this course, but in basic terms, in a programming language, for example, you can't just type any text. For example, if I were chatting with a friend, I could say, "How are you?" So this would have been the just the normal way it would have shown. But then in a programming language, we are not dealing with something like this time around. We need to use a special kind of syntax for this programming language. So in this case, if I wanted to type "How are you?" and I wanted it to show on the screen, I will need to use a special kind of syntax.